Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some breakfast. Come on. This is a pumpkin apple oatmeal bake. I have my wet ingredients here, which is I'm using canned pumpkin. I have an egg in there. Almond milk, some vanilla, and over here I have gluten-free oats. That's brown swerve. I have my apple over here that I'm chopping up. I just used the apple that I had here at the house. I don't know that it makes a difference, but that's what I'm using. And here is all of my spices. That's salt, baking powder, cloves, allspice, ginger, cinnamon, and some salt. And over here I have a 9x9 baking pan. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and whisk together the wet ingredients. My almond milk is sugar-free, and I like to use the vanilla flavored almond milk. Just until all things are well incorporated. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put in all of my spices. Now, I believe if you don't have all of these spices on hand, you can just use pumpkin pie spice. It smells great. Okay. Next, yes, I actually have my water, my sink of water over here. Okay, and now I'm just going to mix around this brown swerve in with the, oh, I forgot to tell you all, I've also got some, I think it's about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup in our wet ingredients. I don't know if I said that or not, but I'm just going to use my hand to mix this together a little bit. You notice it's sugar-free. It's also gluten-free because that's the kind of oats I like to use. Okay. Yes, it does have carbs, but it's all sugar-free. This is something that I've been wanting to make, so that's what we're going to do. Okay. Oh, wow. This really smells so good. I look forward to smelling it bake and filling the house so full of those wonderful fall smells. That's what all of these spices and fruits and vegetables reminded me of. Is pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable? I really don't know. I think it's a vegetable, but I don't know. Could be a fruit. Now, tomato's a fruit, so. Okay. But yeah, that was 2 cups of the oats. Get this all mixed in. Now you can go ahead and mix your oats and your liquids the night before if you want to, so that it breaks the oats down. The milk will break the oats down to where it's easier to digest. I probably should have done that. Okay. Now let me go ahead and get this bit of apple in there. Woo! How about that? That could have been very dangerous to my toes. We'll just grab another one. Yeah, don't try to balance a knife on your chopping board, especially if it's a small one. But get this in bite-sized pieces. Yeah, you don't want it too big. I mean, you want to be able to taste it because it's going to break down a little bit, but while it's baking. Ooh, that was so close. Y'all just don't even know how close it was. Made me very nervous. Okay. Now that I'm over that, I'm just going to fold these in to the batter. Again, I just want to scrape the bowl, make sure everything's well incorporated. Smell that. Smell that. So good. Okay. This is a 9x9 baking pan. I sprayed it with olive oil. Just whatever nonstick spray you have on hand. And you don't have to use gluten-free oats. You use your oats that you have. Your brown sugar if you have it. You don't even have to put the brown sugar in. I just love the maple leaf, the addition of the maple leaf flavor that it gives. So that's what I really, really like about it. This thing's getting full. Okay. And I just want to spread these apples around to make sure each slice has some apple in it. Okay, this is our topping that we're going to put on. And you put it on before you bake it. I used monk fruit sweetener and some cinnamon. And you can get the full recipe for this on my page on Facebook called Handcrafted By. I'll try to get the recipe down below as well if you want. Which you probably do. Some of you may not have Facebook. Okay, and we're just going to sprinkle this over the top. Try to get it around the edges. There we go. All right. And in the oven you go. Okay. 30 minutes. And then I'll be right back. Okay, it's time. Oh, the way this house smells. Would you here smell that now? Oh, your buddy. I'm gonna let that cool down, of course, and then we're gonna put a little bit of toppings on it. Just a little bit. Just let it sit for a minute, about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and slice it up and plate it up. Oh my goodness. Let me grab this. a little warm. Now, you can serve this plain, which that's what Tom is choosing. you can put syrup on it. When I refer to my syrup as maple syrup, it isn't truly maple syrup, by the way. This is sugar-free syrup, and I put maple flavoring in it. Gives us maple syrup. But also, there's something else we can use. Sugar-free caramel sauce. And you already know that's what I'm going to choose. So let's just put a little drizzle on there. Just like that. Oh my. Okay, let's get Tom in here. And let's taste these. Hi.
Hi.
Want to taste your breakfast?
Sure.
Want to let the folks know if you like it?
I know I like the smell of it.
Oops. I think I probably should have peeled the apple myself, but no.
The yellow was for the apple. This is very good.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I will be having seconds of this, I can tell you already.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Big old chunk of apple. Perfect amount of spices and sweetness, and I can taste that mapley brown sweetener. Oh, it's so good. Hey, if y'all haven't subscribed yet, hope you will. Click that button. Click the bell. If you do, be sure and click all so you know every time we put new content on, which is typically every Tuesday at around 6 a.m. Let me know what you think about it. You all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.